Hey, hello, how are you? I'm Jennifer and this is PrepClass. Why do I always do this when I say PrepClass? It's like, I don't know, like PrepClass is behind me. It's like I have some kind of face saying PrepClass and it's behind me. Don't mind me, it's just I don't know, it's a habitual gesture. Don't mind me when I say PrepClass, it's like the PrepClass anything. Okay, so I am here with you guys. I did yoga this morning and it felt great. You know, I was so relaxed. Felt good. My name is Jennifer, by the way. Yeah, I know I'm saying that with one eye open. I'm Jennifer. This is PrepClass. And, alright. Get serious. Learn. Okay, I'm getting serious. Why don't I ever get serious? Yeah, I'm getting serious. Okay, so I'm Jennifer. And here, this is PrepClass. And we're happy to be here with you, just as we hope you are to be with us. So this is still on the Jsce English Language Past Questions 2020, still tackling it, by the way. But before we go ahead to tackle it, while I'm Jennifer, this is PrepClass. And while this is PrepClass, you can now download our PrepClass app on your iOS and Android. You get onto your Google Play Store or your App Store, whichever where you go, you get to download our PrepClass app, okay? So don't forget to subscribe to our channel. It's very important, okay? So that you can get to be part of the beneficiaries of our numerous benefits. Okay, so you can get to benefit from all we have to offer. Get a chance to learn life with the best of PrepClass tutors, get access to our videos on different topics and subjects of your choice, and of course past questions and examinations and just about everything that you think may stop you from making those straight A's in your papers. So PrepClass is here to not fight, conquer. We don't need to fight, we just need to conquer those exams, right? So we're here to conquer those exams with you. Okay, so have you subscribed to our channel? We should. Alright, so straight up to our 61st question. Yeah, that's the instruction, and it says from options lettered A to D, choose the word that has the same nearest in meaning as the one represented in the letters underlined. Oh, okay. So I think what this instruction, I know you don't understand it, right? Yeah, I don't think I do. Like, it's like I don't, more like I'm trying to. So if I get it correctly, what we're instructed to do is to choose the word that has the same sound. Yeah, the same sound as the underlined word. So any letters or sounds in the underlined word, we simply find a similar one in the options. Okay, the options. All right, so let's get on with it. Okay, he says we are going to have a bright day. Bright, and the word is bright. So let's try to figure out which word has the same sound as bright. Okay, so we have A, sunny, bright, sunny, nah, sunny, bright, nah. They don't sound alike. Okay, raining, bright, raining, dull, bright, no. Cloudy, which is it? Right, let's see. So the R sound, yeah, the R sound in bright can also be found in raining. Okay. So raining is our man. So raining and bright share the same R sound. So we go with raining, and we have it option B, raining. Right. So our 62nd question. The teacher was annoyed with the class. Okay, so we have A, amused, B, pleased, C, boy, and D, ply. So sound, similar sounds. Where are they? So the oi sound in annoyed can also be found in boy. Oi sound. Oi sound. It's a vowel sound, by the way. Oi sound. We have it annoyed. We have it in boy too. So we have boy as the word with similar sound, similar vowel sound as annoyed. All right, so 63rd question. The man was of average height. Okay, average. So we have A, strange, B, very small, C, unusual, and D, medium. So average. So in average, we have similar sounds. We have sounds R and Ch in average, similar to strange. Okay, so there's also the R and the Ch sound in strange. So average share the same R and J sound with strange. Alright, so we have strange, so answer R and J. Alright, so that's the J. That's the sound that looks like a combination of D and Z. That's the J sound. Alright, so we have it strange, and that's option A. Okay, our 64th question. I mean, why are questions this easy, by the way? Isn't it easy learning with PrepClass? I mean, it's just so smooth, and I just wish you get to write these answers this way during your exams. Don't worry, you will. Alright, so our 64th question. I used to see him frequently. Alright, frequently is the word. And we have A, always, B, generally, C, sometimes, and D, quickly. Alright, so what is it? Alright, so we are, this is another one. Alright, so obviously we're done with the similar sound. So we are moving on to another one. Instructions weren't indicated. Why? Really? We didn't see any instructions here. But from what I can see, I think, or it seems that we're asked to find the synonym. Okay, so the synonym is the synonym of the underlined word, and frequently means occurring often. Okay, when something occurs often, it is said to occur frequently. Often or at short intervals. Yeah, often or short interval. So the synonym of frequently is always. Something occurs always, frequently. Alright, so having always option A. Our 65th question. Smith found a pen for Jane when he had lost hers. Found is the word. So we are to find the synonym of found. We have A, bought, B, sent, C, provided, and D, sold. So in terms of this sentence, found has a lot of meanings, by the way. Just like most of the words in English language, it has a lot of meanings. And so you simply have to narrow it down to the particular situation or sentence. Okay, so in this sentence, found means to provide for. Okay, to supply. Found could actually also mean to establish something. Like we say, I founded the agency, I founded the company to establish something. All right, so here in this context, found means to provide for, to supply. Okay, so the synonym of find here is provide. Alright, so provide. So found, it's by the way in the past tense, so our answer would be in the past tense form too. So you either say Smith found a pen for Jane when he had lost hers, or you say Smith provided a pen. Provided, right? He made provision for it. Alright, so Smith provided a pen for Jane when he had lost hers. And we have it. I know what you want me to say next. I wouldn't say it. I wouldn't say it. I know you want me to say, subscribe to our channel, like and comment. I wouldn't say, nah, I wouldn't say it. I'm gonna leave that to your better sense of judgment. But of course, don't forget to like your comment. Yeah, I said it. Don't forget to like your comment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to share your thoughts and your feelings with us. Reach out to us. We're here for you. So please reach out to us. Communicate with us in whatever way, whichever way that is convenient for you. our website, phone number, our app, and WhatsApp, whichever way. We are here for you. So until then, stay safe. It's really important that you stay safe and that you eat your favorite foods and you study hard. You work hard, you study hard, okay? So we are here to support you. So it's very important that you study hard so that while PrepClass supports you, you get to be the best of the best of the best of the best of the best. So PrepClass loves you. Take care. Bye.